This is a brand new 2013 Mazda 3. This compact has a 6-speed manual transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, a premium sound system, rear curtain airbags, a collapsible steering column, active front headrests, a pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Jenkins Mazda is conveniently located at 1740 Southwest College Road in Ocala. Contact us to find out about our financing specials or visit us at jenkinsmazda.com.